To install Python on your Windows machine, go to Microsoft Store and enter Python here, the search screen, search option, and the store will list you all the available Python version. You can see Python 3.1, 3.12, 3.10. I have installed 3.12, so you can see open option, or you can see like it's installed. If you want to install any other version, you can click on the version that you want to install and click the get button to install that version on your machine. Okay, so as I said earlier, I have Python version 3.12 on my machine. To verify that it's being installed on my computer, I go to command prompt. The command prompt, I enter Python -double version, and you can see I have Python 3.12.3.